Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Crunchyroll UI good settings. In this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will scrolling down until you find this application of Crunchyroll and you will enter. Here in this page, you will go to first stop as you see and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will go to Play Store. You will go here to Play Store as you see. You will search about Crunchyroll. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by